I saw this basket in the store and I really wanted to create it, so I used a basket from Dollar Tree, magnets, E6000 that I had on hand, and a marble plate since it went with my decor. I marked on the plate and the basket each point where I was going to place the magnet at. I did hold the magnet in place since I used E6000 glue and it's not a fast drying glue. You can store whatever you want in this, but I had a blanket, so that's what I put.